What do you do on your day off? You drink some coffee and get your toys out and play with them in the snow. I've never run my RC cars in the snow, so let's see what this thing will do in the snow. It is four-wheel drive, so I guess it should be fine. Hopefully it doesn't ruin it. And I had to drop the kids off at school, so now it's time for me to play. Let's rip this thing in the snow, see what happens. These are really fun little RC cars, trust me. And they're not as expensive as like a Traxxas, and you can replace pretty much every part on them. So this one here is a 110 scale, and it does have a 3S battery in it. Comes with two 3S batteries. Oh yeah, cool. Oh, it just slides all over. So slippery. That's cool. It's really hard to control in the snow. This is so slippery. All right, let's go out in the main road. Let's see if we can get her going. I don't know. I think this one goes like 30 or 40 or something like that. I don't know. My lights on. A little better out here since there's a plow truck come by. It's really hard to get up to speed. Oh, almost went in a hole. This is not my fastest one, but my fastest one is smaller, and it's really hard to control. Oh! You just got to take her up slow, or she just starts spinning the tires. All right, that's enough playing in the snow. I don't think that really was as fun as I thought it was going to be, but I hope you guys watch this video all the way to the end here. Give me a thumbs up for coming out here and freezing my butt off, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'll put a link to one of these down in the description if you want to check one out. Maybe you want to buy one for your kids, or maybe you guys want to play with it. They are a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless, and stay warm if it's cold where you're at.